Hello humans, I'm Annalisa, and today Hunter and I are leaving on a super fun, long road trip. So I thought I would give you guys some insight on my go-to healthy road trip snacks that are still like fun, that you can actually look forward to. So I'm at the co-op here in Ashland, and I'm gonna spend less than $20. Don't quote me on that. We're gonna drive, but it's a long trip. And so I'm gonna show you around and see what I get, and then I'll take them home and we're gonna talk about it, why they're good and why they taste good. Let's go. We are on the road trip. We just left Des Moines. We're on our way to Kansas City, and yesterday the sun was in our faces the entire time, so I didn't get to finish filming. So it is good and cloudy outside, so we have good lighting today. So we've already demolished a lot of the snacks, so this means that I can also give you reputable feedback on them. So for drinks, I always get the Health-Ade pomegranate kombucha, always. So this is my favorite one by far, and this company uses the least amount of sugar that I've been able to find that also still tastes good. So this is what I've been going with lately, and it's a pretty big bottle. So that's my go-to. I have one of these 3 times a week. And then for Hunter, I got him this drink by Matcha Bar, which is another one of our favorite little companies. And it's the apple ginger matcha. And he actually really liked it.
Very good.
It was really good. Yeah.
It kept me up too.
Yes. Because we were driving pretty late last night. So the matcha was great. And all of this was under $20, by the way. Everything I'm showing you in total was under $20. And then these chips I discovered last time we went on a road trip. And they are by this company called Plant Snacks. And it's beet chips with vegan goat cheese. And I was like, ugh, that might not be good on the taste or ingredient side. I was kind of worried. And so this is what they look like. Here we go, these bad boys right here. And it's actually a tapioca base for the vegan cheese side. And I was kind of worried that it was, gonna be some scary ingredients, but it's actually just a bunch of different seasonings and spices that they use to create the flavor. And you guys need to appreciate this level of seasoning that's going on. They're so good. They're so good. Why are you laughing at me?
Nothing.
Why?
Nothing.
And then, okay, so I've posted about this company before, called Choco Love, and they are a dark chocolate. So there's different certifications. So obviously in the coffee world you care about fair trade certification, organic certification, all these different things. So this chocolate company focuses on getting good quality chocolate out of the rainforest. They are Rainforest Alliance certified. So they work with small farmers that benefits the land, the farm, the farmer, and then the actual quality of the product coming out of it. So it's an awesome company. And then it actually gives you the lot number that it was grown on. And then when you open them, I have to show you. So we open it. This has freeze-dried raspberries in it, first of all, which is unbelievable. And then every single one has a love poem inside. And it's just they're always the best poems. And this was by Shakespeare. And then to go along with that, I found out this company also makes sea salt dark chocolate caramel. I said this was going to be a healthy snacks video, and this is just a less terrible than the normal product snacks video. Because this company also makes these salted caramel dark chocolate bites, and it's real caramel. It's just good dark chocolate, and they're so good.
Not even a full day of driving yet, and they're gone.
Yeah, they're also gone. And we've been on the road last night and this morning, and that was it. So we only really eat stuff like this when we're on the road, and it's a little fun snack where you can indulge a little bit. They're really worth a ton in here, which is a good thing at the end of the day. It's a very good thing. And besides, we have this baby to get through, and then our plant snacks and our drinks. So all of this will definitely get us through about a day and a half, 2 days driving. And I think that it's pretty, it keeps us from stopping at gas stations and getting crappy little snacks. Stuff that we know makes us feel like crap. Aww. They're so good. Alright. What?
Water.
And gallons of water. We just buy gallons of water and keep water bottles in the vehicle and fill them as we go. And that's our water, because buying water at gas stations is expensive. Just buy a gallon. It's like between $1 and $2.50, and it'll save you money. Go to your local co-op. Some off-brand grocery stores are starting to hold these things, like these better chocolate brands and stuff. And yeah, if you ever see something on chocolate that is either fair trade, organic, rainforest certified, or like actually just has like cacao as the #1 ingredient, you're probably safe, and it might actually be it's probably a better option. Thank you so much for tuning in to our little road trip snack video. We do this with the exact same snacks almost every time. We've been doing it pretty religiously for a while. So this is not just like made for this video. This is always what we do. Go and check out some of these brands if you want to. Try out these because they are amazing. And stay weird.